Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to download Minecraft from G2A.com, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to G2A.com. This is a software platform where you can purchase different types of softwares and games that are pretty interesting and affordable. So from here you can find a search box where you can search for Minecraft. Simply search for Minecraft. Here you can simply click on Minecraft and you can find so many results for the Minecraft from here. So there are some of them are actually, let me show you, some of them are actually key and some of them actually account. Yes, actually there is suppliers who are actually selling the account that used account that actually activated already by someone else, and they are actually offering it as a second-hand product. So from here you can find different types of Minecraft here. If you want to get that Minecraft for your expected platform like Microsoft Store or Steam or Minecraft Coin, then you can select it. Like I'm going with this Steam, so here is the Steam pack where you can get the Steam like platform for Steam. So this is Steam also, Dungeon PC, and they're all are Steams from here. So just like this, you can also unselect it and you can search for all the keys. So here you can see all the keys are here. So if you want to buy it, then you can read the title from here. Here's the platform from where they are providing the key, and here's the type, that key or account, and here's the region that you can see it is global. So you can see it is can activated. You can also find that if it's can activated in your location or not here. So you can simply find the amount here and some discount here. So simply click on it and you can browse for more interesting deals on G2A. Now from here you can find the games for world has been rated it in a positive feedback in 99%, and already 4,945 people has just purchased this product. And yes, the rating is pretty good, and it is actually 62 reviews in G2A. Now from here you can choose the amount, like if you are on G2A Plus, then you can save the $1 from here. So if you don't have the Plus version, then you can simply go with that and you can use your PayPal account, and you can simply if I click on PayPal, then it will open the PayPal integration where you have to enter your PayPal credentials like your username, your email address or your phone number. Then you have to enter your password, then you have to give the permission to connect or pay through your PayPal account, or otherwise you can simply click on add to cart. Then here you can see it has just added to your cart. So there is something go to cart, here it is. So add to cart here. So I'm going to try it for again, and it is already added from here. So here you can see added to cart. Now you can simply go to cart here, simply click on go to cart, and from here you can find this Minecraft here. So you can continue to payment here. So just like this, here it is, you can see. So from here the cart total, so we are going to delete one, so delete this one. So we have just added one here. So you can just simply click on continue to payment, and from here you can actually pay with your credit card or debit card. You can use your Visa card or the MasterCard. From here you can use your Google Pay account, your PayPal or G2A balance here, Ozen, Skrill, Neteller, also PayPal here, PaySafe card or the Bitcoin if you have. So, and yes, this is pretty much cool thing that G2A also accept the cryptocurrency as the payment. So that's pretty much all thing. Make sure that you have added all the credentials perfectly and you have paid on the G2A without any type of hassle. Thanks for watching. Till next time.